Hello everybody, welcome back to the jewelry spot. Today I've got it's the 18th, it's February the 18th, and on the 18th of every month I'm involved in a jewelry making fun collab sponsored by Deb Huck of Dahlia Designs. And so I'm going to tell you what I've created, and I also would like for you to look at all of the other creators' videos and support them. I'm going to have all of their channels linked below. And so this is what we had to do this time. We had to use the colors purple, blue, and gold, and also use, mixed metals. That was an option. And the last option was to incorporate flower beads. And so I'll show you what I've done with our different options. I have got some seed beads in the shade of gold, and I've got some more seed beads that are kind of purplish, greenish, and bluish. They're kind of all mixed up. It's an iridescent color. So that's my purple and blue, and then this is my gold. So I used the smaller seed beads, and these are size 8, and then the larger ones size 6. So the smaller the number, the larger the seed beads. And so yeah, as far as seed beads go, these are kind of large. A lot of times I work with things that are much smaller than this size, even smaller than the size 8. But I kind of used the larger seed beads today. So what I made was a pair of hoop earrings. They're stainless steel hoops, but I put the gold seed beads there. This kind of reminds me a little bit of, I don't know, Mardi Gras or something, but nice and colorful. I put, 5 seed beads, like to outline the hoop in gold. Then I put the different colorful ones there, those iridescent, like blues and purples there. And then I said, well, let's make a bracelet. So I made a memory wire bracelet. On the ends, I kind of did the same thing. I used the gold seed beads as outliners for the memory wire bracelet, and that's what I have. I hope you enjoyed what I've got. I also have got a new channel, a YouTube channel with my sister. It's called Designing Sisters. Just have several different projects going on, so by all means it would help us out if you'd support that channel too. And thank you for watching, and more hoop earrings and bracelets to come at another time. And thank you for the support. Don't forget to watch all of the other wonderful creators from the Jewelry Making Fun Collab. Till next time, bye-bye.